time at the Cannabis Conference, and I have thought this show was absolutely incredible. The education was unparalleled, and all of the speakers were great.
Cannabis Conference has done a very nice job of bringing in expertise from university faculty that have done the science of cannabis cultivation. I've spoken at this conference before, but this focus really elevates the science of cannabis.
I think the networking is top-notch, but I also think the list of manufacturers rivals the best in the industry.
I thought the networking was really great, being able to connect with a lot of people, especially for people who are wanting to kind of start off and initiate partnerships. This is a great meeting place for that.
I have to say, I've been to a lot of conferences, and this is the first time where I see a sense of community with everyone. I've never seen keynote speakers freely hand out their phone numbers and their information on how to contact them.
So far at Cannabis Conference, my experience is quality. It's more intimate, I would say, than a lot of other trade shows. A lot, definitely on the plant touching side, but it's more so on the, not just investors, but no matter how new or old you are in the industry, you can still come here and learn something.
This is the conference that you want to attend. You will learn a little bit about every lane that you've experienced in the industry and even more.
The seminars are amazing. What I found to be great was the fact that it's not multi-dispensary owners or corporations in here. It's people like me who 4 years ago were beginning and found somebody like them to coach them through it. So it's not the corporate aspect, it's the one-to-one aspect.